1000 words, lesson 3, conversation. Every time I ask you a question, just click on the spacebar and take your time to answer. What are you drinking? Is it morning now? Why are you here? Who is your sister? Have you got a sister? Is your car old? Is your daughter playing tennis now? Are you very happy? What is your favorite juice? Are you at work tomorrow? And now try to write down the sentences. My coffee is very good. He is watching football. I've got an apple cake. She isn't drinking now. Your children are at school. And now translate. Are you sleeping? Come here now. She hasn't got a drink. How are your children? Where are the students with the books? My old car isn't very good. Somebody is in the house. I'm going to my son's now. It is a very sad goodbye. What are they playing?